How many parts is the Constitution of India divided into? A. 20. B. 22. C. 24. D. 26. Answer B. Which part of the Constitution deals with citizenship? A. Part 4. B. Part 2. C. Part 6. D. Part 5. Answer B. Which part of the Constitution guarantees fundamental rights to citizens? A. Part 1. B. Part 2. C. Part 3. D. Part 4. Answer C. Part 3. Which part of the Constitution lays down the directive principles of state policy? A. Part 1. B. Part 3. C. Part 4. D. Part 5. Answer C. Part 4. How many articles are included in Part 4A? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer A.1. Which part of the Constitution deals with the Union territories? A. Part 7. B. Part 8. C. Part 9. D. Part 10. Answer B. Part 8. Which part of the Constitution covers finance, property, contracts, and suits? A. Part 8. B. Part 10. C. Part 11. D. Part 12. Answer D. Part 12. Which part of the Constitution covers emergency provisions? A. Part 15. B. Part 18. C. Part 21. D. Part 22. Answer B. Part 18. Which part of the Constitution deals with the amendment process? A. Part 19. B. Part 20. C. Part 21. D. Part 22. Answer B. Part 20. Which part of the Constitution deals with the short title, commencement, authoritative text in Hindi, and repeals? A. Part 21. B. Part 22. C. Part 24. D. Part 25. Answer B. Part 22. What has the Constitution of India been criticized for being? A. A borrowed constitution. B. An original constitution. C. A plagiarized constitution. D. A carbon copy of the Constitution of Pakistan. Answer A. A borrowed constitution. Why did the framers of the Indian Constitution modify the borrowed features? A. To avoid any faults. B. To improve the borrowed features. C. To copy the features exactly. D. None of the above. Answer A. To avoid any faults. What have critics claimed the Indian Constitution is not? A. Anti-Indian. B. Un-Indian. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer C. Both A and B. What have some people labeled the Indian Constitution as? A. A lawyer's paradise. B. A layman's savior. C. A poet's masterpiece. D. A critic's nightmare. Answer A. A lawyer's paradise. What is litigiousness? A. A tendency to avoid legal disputes. B. A tendency to engage in legal disputes. C. A tendency to ignore legal issues. D. None of the above. Answer B. A tendency to engage in legal disputes. The Constitution of India has blank parts that cover different subject matters. A. 20. B. 22. C. 24. D. 26. Answer B. 22. Part 3 of the Constitution guarantees blank to citizens. A. Directive principles of state policy. B. Fundamental duties. C. Fundamental rights. D. The right to vote. Answer C. Fundamental rights. Part 4 of the Constitution lays down the blank of state policy. A. Directive principles. B. Constitutionality. C. Fundamental rights. D. None of the above. Answer A. Directive principles. Part 9 covers blank and includes Articles 243p to 243zg. A. The Union Government. B. Municipalities. C. The Panchayats. D. Cooperative societies. Answer B. Part 12 of the Constitution covers blank and includes Articles 264 to 300A. A. Fundamental rights. B. The Directive principles. C. Finance, property, contracts, and suits. D. None of the above. Answer C. Part 18 of the Constitution covers blank and includes Articles 352 to 360. A. Fundamental rights. B. Trade, commerce, and intercourse within the territory of India. C. The official language. D. Emergency provisions. Answer D. Part 21 of the Constitution covers blank and includes Articles 369 to 392. A. Elections. B. The amendment process. C. Special provisions relating to certain classes. D. Temporary, transitional, and special provisions. Answer D. What has the Constitution of India been criticized for its size and complexity? A. Being too small and simple. B. Being too large and complex. C. Being too large and simple. D. Being too small and complex. Answer B. Which of the following labels has the Indian Constitution been given? A. A lawyer's paradise. B. An artist's haven. C. A scientist's discovery. D. A historian's treasure. Answer A. What is the criticism labeled against the Indian Constitution for not reflecting the political traditions and spirit of India? A. Anti-Indian. B. Un-Indian. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Answer C. Who argued that borrowing is not plagiarism? A. The chairman of the drafting committee. B. One of the framers of the Indian Constitution. C. The Prime Minister of India. D. The President of India. Answer A. Which part of the Constitution covers the scheduled and tribal areas? A. Part 10. B. Part 11. C. Part 12. D. Part 13. Answer A. Which part of the Constitution covers the relations between the Union and the states? A. Part 10. B. Part 11. C. Part 12. D. Part 13. Answer B. Which part of the Constitution covers services under the Union and the states? A. Part 13. B. Part 14. C. Part 15. D. Part 16. Answer B. Part 14. What is Part 7 of the Constitution? A. Union territories. B. The state governments. C. Part B. States. D. Cooperative societies. Answer C. Part B. States.